Hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channels. If you are looking for a way out to change your Facebook password on mobile, then this is the right video tutorials for you. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. So open your browser or whatever Facebook app you're using to access Facebook, then log in. So let's open it. So let me put my email address. Let me type my password. Now let me log in. As you can see, I've successfully logged in. So from here, the next step is you need to click the Siri bar at the right top corner. After clicking, you need to scroll down and you look for where of the written setting. So let's look for it. So here it is. So we need to click setting. After clicking setting, we need to go to security section. From here, we need to click the first one written security and login. So let's click it. After clicking, then you see where of the written change your password. Then you click that. After clicking change your password, then you see three boxes where the first box you will write the current password you're using, then the second one you will write the new password, and the third one you will confirm, meaning you will rewrite the new password. So let me put my current password I'm using. The second box, now let me put my new password. Now after typing your new password and confirming it, then the final step here, you need to click changes, save changes. So after clicking, then from here now you choose if you want to stay in the locked in device, or you want to log out from the recent device you have used. Then you choose. So from here now I'm choosing I want to log out from the device I've been using. So I recommend you to click the first one, then you click now continue, then log out. Now from here you have successfully changed your password. So all is done. Thank guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos tutorial.